What's the best glass water bottle, Purifyou or Lifefactory? Let's find out in this video. My first impression is the unboxing, and the Purifyou has a lot more packaging than is necessary. The Lifefactory bottle just comes with this simple paper sleeve in the Amazon box, whereas the Purifyou has this whole other box with this bubble wrap, completely unnecessary, especially for a brand that tries to be environmentally conscious. The design of both bottles is quite similar. The Lifefactory has these round holes in the silicone sleeve, whereas the Purifyou has these square holes. The silicone on the Purifyou is a little bit thicker. Both bottles are comfortable to hold. On the Purifyou, though, I can see a lot more wear and tear after putting this through a dishwasher a few times, whereas I don't see any of that damage on the Lifefactory. The Lifefactory bottle is really simple to open. Either you can grab it on the top here, or you can kind of just twist it off like so. It works really well. The Purifyou is more difficult to operate because you cannot easily turn it like that because this thing kind of gets in the way. So then you end up kind of turning it with your finger like that. It is not as intuitive as the Lifefactory bottle. When it comes to closing the bottle, the Purifyou bottle actually does a better job because these threads always attach exactly like I want. With the Lifefactory bottle, it's a little bit more sensitive. It is possible to attach the top incorrectly so that it actually doesn't create a tight seal. It has to be put on just so that it has the right position. Both bottles have a carry handle, but the Lifefactory one is a lot better. You can hold it like that with 4 fingers or with 3 fingers. This is really stable. With the Purifyou, you get this little carrying loop. You can hold it like that with your finger or put your thumb in there, but it never really hangs completely vertically. I think the Lifefactory solution is a lot better. I have dropped both bottles on the floor accidentally and they did not break. In terms of the drinking surface right there, both of them have a nicely rounded edge and they are comfortable to drink from, both of them. I do prefer the bigger opening on the Lifefactory bottle, but if you prefer the smaller opening, then the Purifyou might be a better choice for you. Inside both of the lids, there is a seal. The one on the Lifefactory works really, really well. I have never had any problems with this seal coming loose and I've never had any spills. With the Purifyou, however, there is a ring inside there, and that ring has come out on a number of occasions. And if I had not noticed that it came out, I would have had a very leaky bottle in my backpack. And for that reason alone, the better bottle is the Lifefactory. If I can't trust the seal on the Purifyou bottle, I just don't feel comfortable with this bottle and it's probably going to cause a leak. So don't get the Purifyou, get the Lifefactory bottle instead. It's a great glass water bottle. I have links to both of these bottles in the description below the video. Click or tap the screen right here for more great product reviews from my channel. Thank you very much for watching.